Now, this one has social media divided. Gogos Cotton has set the record straight after facing a backlash over claims that she paid for her own lobola. The reality TV star and a spiritual healer has boldly confirmed that yes, she did give her ex-husband Monde money to pay lobola because at the time he simply couldn't afford it. But instead of apologizing and backing down, Gogos Cotton made it very clear that she has zero regrets, responding directly to a woman named Teboho. Gogo fired back, saying it's not her fault that Teboho has never experienced a real love, care, or support, especially during pregnancy. She went on to throw even more shade, saying when a man asks Teboho for her bank details, she sends her cell phone number, not knowing that not everyone used Capitec. Gogo also reminded Teboho that the real issue is that Teboho knows her, but she doesn't even know Teboho. The response has left Mzansi buzzing, with some applauding Gogos Koteni for her honesty and independence, while others feel paying for your own lobola defeats the cultural purpose. So the big question is, was Gogos Koteni empowering herself, or did she cross a cultural line? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode.